Lesson 13.3 is about making decisions when you're purchasing. So when you need to make a purchasing decision, it's often based on price. And finding the lower unit price is often the way to determine the better buy. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Which one is the better buy? In example 1, it says, Sylvie went to a local warehouse store to buy her family's favorite sports drink. Which of the two options described below is the better buy? So here in the table we have a value pack that's 24 half-liter bottles for $9.24, or we could buy the sports pack, which is 18.75 liter bottles for $11.88. When we're trying to find which one is the better buy, in step 1, first we have to find the total amount of the sports drink in each purchase. So if we have in the value pack, we have 24 half-ounce bottles, we're going to have to multiply 24 times 0.5. Well, half of 24 would be 12 liters. Okay, and in the sports pack, we have 18, but these are each 0.75 liters. Okay, so in the calculator, if you want to multiply 18.75, you're going to get that would be 13.5 liters total in that pack. So now to find the unit price, okay, that's step 2. We're going to have to find each unit price. Remember, the word unit means one. And so we're trying to find out, well, how much for 1 liter, because that will allow us to compare the prices on which one is the better deal. So in order to do this, we're going to go ahead and set up a ratio. We're talking about money compared to liters. So in the value pack, we have $9.24 for a total of 12 liters. Okay, when you go divide that in your calculator, you're going to put in your 924 divided by 12. Okay, you're going to get that would be 77 cents per 1 liter. And then we're going to try the sports pack. We're going to set up this ratio. For the sport pack, we would pay $11.88 for a total of 13.5 liters. If I go in my calculator and I divide 11.88 divided by 13.5, I would end up paying 88 cents for every 1 liter. So now that we've got them both down to unit price per liter, now we can tell that, well, 77 cents is less than 88 cents. So then my better buy would be the value pack. And so that's what you're going to say is the value pack is the better buy. Okay, on the your turn, you're doing the exact same thing. Okay, you're trying to find the unit price. So first you have to find the total, okay, in each purchase, and then find your unit price. So go ahead, read the problem, pause your video, and try to figure that out using your calculator. Pause your video. Okay, says Manny must choose between a pack of 4 6.5-ounce containers of yogurt for $3.77 or 3 8-ounce containers for at $1.29 each. Which is the better buy and why? So here we want to see what's important in our problem first, okay? 4 6.5-ounce containers for $3.77 or 3 8-ounce containers for $1.29 each. Which one's the better buy and why? So you want to go ahead and first find out the total. So 4 6.5-ounce containers, you're going to have to multiply those two. That's a total of 26 ounces in that pack. And then you would have to multiply 3 8-ounce containers, which would of course be 24 ounces in that pack. Well, the 4 6.5-ounce pack is $3.77. So if we set up our ratio comparing money to ounces, $3.77 for 26 ounces. When you go divide that in your calculator, you should have gotten that would be, well, actually, remember money ends at the hundredths place. So looking to the right, that would actually be 15 cents per ounce of yogurt. So here we're going to say that this would total 15 cents for every 1 ounce of yogurt, and that was for the 4-pack. Well, okay, now you have to be careful with the next one because it says that you're buying 3 8-ounce containers, but they're $1.29 each. So if you're buying 3 of them, the first thing you should have done in your calculator is 3 times $1.29 to first see, well, what's the total you're going to pay. So $1.29 times 3 is actually $3.87 for 24 ounces. Now I can figure out my unit price. So when I go divide that by 24, you can see this is the decimal I'm getting in my calculator. So again, looking to the right, because money ends at the hundredths place, that's 16 cents per ounce. So 16 cents per 1 ounce of yogurt if I buy the 3 8-ounce yogurt. So comparing the two, we see that 15 cents per ounce is less than 16 cents per ounce. So the 4-pack is the better deal. And that's actually a good explanation. On the next section, we are analyzing sales. It says sales and discounts may affect your choice when considering several purchase options. Some discounts are fixed amounts, while others are percents or fractions of the original price. In example 2, it says, Nathan plans on hiking this summer and wants to buy a solar charger for his cell phone and notebook computer. He finds the charger that he wants at 2 stores. Which store has the lower price for the charger? So here they show 2 stores in the table, Kits and Rec Plus. So at Kits, the regular price is $89.99 at 30% off, and at Rec Plus it's $79.99, $15 off. So to find the better price, first in step 1, it's saying to find the discount price at each store. Okay, well obviously the discount price is going to be the regular price minus whatever discount the store is offering. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for both. And then in step 2, we're going to compare what we found. So at Kits, we know that the regular price is $89.99, and we have to find what the discount is. Well, it's 30% off. Okay, so we have to find out what is 30% of $89.99. So you know that of means to multiply by 30%. Well, remember when you go in your calculator and you hit that 30%, $8.99 times 30%, it's automatically going to change it to a decimal for you. So again, since money is going to raise this to a 10, this whole thing is just going to turn to $27. Okay, so $27 is about 30% off of 89. So to take it off, we have to subtract. Remember to clear your calculator, and $89.99 minus $27 equals a total price of $62.99 at Kits. Okay, at Rec Plus, it says that it's going to be $79.99 minus the discount is just $15. It's just a flat rate. So sometimes it's a percentage off, sometimes it's just a flat rate or price. So $79.99 minus $5 is obviously $74. Oh, I mean not $5, I'm sorry, $15. That's $64.99. So comparing the two prices, we see that $62.99 is less than $64.99. So the $62.99, we see that Kits actually has the better deal. So we're going to write that down. Kits has the, we could even say, lower price. In the reflection, okay, in real life, even sometimes when a store has a better price, it's saying, why might Nathan choose the higher priced item? Well, I could tell you from experience that sometimes it depends on how far the store is. Like they might have a better deal, but you have to drive so far that you end up spending more in gas. So that could be a reason for convenience. So you could say the reason he might go to Kits, okay, anyways, I mean, it's $2 higher, but maybe it's closer. So we could say Kits may be closer. So why might he choose the higher price? Oh wait, the higher price was actually at Rec Plus. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so Rec Plus has the higher price. So he might go ahead and go to Rec Plus because it may be closer. So Rec Plus may be closer, so he would save in, let's say, travel expenses. All right, on the other side, well, I folded my notes in half because, sorry about these shadows. All right, so on the your turn, you're doing the same thing. You're finding out which one would be the better buy. One of them is a fraction off and one of them is a percentage off. You can use your calculator. And so pause your video and try to figure out the your turn number 3. Pause your video. All right. On number 3, it says Nathan finds a backpack at Kits that's regular $84.99, but it's on sale for 1/3 off. So $84.99, but sale is 1/3 off. The same backpack is regularly $72.99 at Rec Plus, but it's on sale for 25% off. Which one is the better buy? And explain. Okay, so first we're going to figure $84.99. We have to take 1/3 off of that. So to get 1/3 of anything, we could just divide by 3. So $84.99, if I divide that by 3, I get that would be $28.33. Now that is 1/3 of, okay, so we're not finished. We have to actually subtract, well, what is $84.99 minus $28.33? So we could find out what the price of the backpack would be. So $84.99 minus $28.33 in the calculator ends up being $56.66. So this is at Kits. Okay, now at Rec Plus, it says that it's going to be $72.99, but it's 25% off. So we're going to have to multiply in our calculator. What is 25% of $72.99? So, oops, I'm trying to clear. Okay, $72.99 times 0.25. Okay, again, money ends at the hundredths place. So you should be subtracting actually $18.25 is what you should have subtracted to find the sale price, the discounted price at Rec Plus. So $72.99 minus $18.25 ends up being $54.74. So which one is the better buy? You're going to say Rec Plus is better. And I'm just going to put because $54.74 is less than $56.66. Okay, that's your explanation. All right, in the last section, we're comparing sales, rebates, and coupons. So when you buy an item on sale or use a discount coupon, you pay less than full price for the item and generally pay tax on the sale price. When you get a rebate, you usually pay full price for an item and the tax on that price, then get a refund later. So that's what a rebate means, that you pay full price and tax, but then sometimes have to mail something in and then get refunded money. Okay, so in example 3, it says Sedelia can get the same running shoes at 2 different stores. She wants to get 2 pairs of the same style. Which is the better buy? So in our table we have Go Run. This store has regular price shoes at $109. You get to take $5 off 1 pair, and it's buy one, get one free. Now at the shoe shop, the regular price is $89, and you get a mail-in rebate, $30 per pair, but the limit is on 2 pairs. Okay, so when we are trying to find Go Run, it is $109. And since it's buy one, get one free, she's only buying 2, so she's going to pay $109 for 2 pairs of shoes, okay, but she gets to take $5 off, so minus $5, but only on 1 pair. So 109 minus $5 is 104. That's 104. That's for her 2 pair of shoes at that store. Now at the other store, at the shoe shop, she is going to pay $89, but she's going to have to pay that times 2 because she wants 2 pairs. So $89 times 2, if you do that in your calculator, that's $178. And she's going to get money back later. So that's going to be $30, okay, times 2. She's going to get $60 back. So to find out what she ends up paying, we would subtract $60 from the $178. She would end up paying $118 for 2 pair of shoes. So which one ends up being the better deal is actually the Go Run. So you want to say the Go Run, and when it asks you to explain, you're just going to say because $104 is less than $118. All right, so in the reflection, it says, what if? Suppose that the total price for the shoe shop had been $103. So suppose this was $1 less than the Go Run. It's asking, what are some conditions of a rebate that would make it a better decision to buy shoes at Go Run? Well, I don't know if you have experience with rebates, but like I said, you have to mail in sometimes like a postcard that asks you a lot of information, and then you have to actually put a stamp on it and go to the post office and mail it. So you want to say you might have to give, or you may have to give personal, let's just say info, and mail it with postage. So in the end, it ends up being more trouble, and also it's going to take more of your time because you have to take the time to drive to the post office, mail it, and put a stamp on it. Okay, so some people might choose not to go with the rebate option. Okay, on the Your Turn, you're going to read about this problem and try to choose which one is the better deal. Pause your video. Okay, Greta wants to buy 3 jars of honey. Food Mart sells it for $8.99 with buy 2 get 1 free offer. Leona's sells it for $8.49 with a coupon for 50% off with a limit of 2 coupons. Which store has the better deal? Okay, so Food Mart, $8.99 with a buy 2 get 1 free. Remember, she's trying to buy 3 jars. Leona's sells it for $8.49 with a coupon for 50% off, and you can use 2 coupons. So which store has the better deal? So in this case, let's see, the Food Mart has it for $8.99. you buy 2 get 1 free. Well, you're trying to buy 3, so really you're only going to end up having to buy 2 of them because you're going to get the third one free. So in your calculator, you should have done $8.99 times 3, and that would have cost $26.97. Wait, is that right? $8.99 times 2. What? Where did I get that from? Okay, my calculator is wrong. Okay, so $17.98 is actually what I should have there. So $17.98 for 3 jars. That's at Food Mart. Now at Leona's, let's write that down. Leona's, you get $8.49, but you have a coupon for 50% off. So if I multiply 50% of this, well, obviously it's going to be half of this, right? Well, if you could do that twice, it's really like the same price. This 2 halves make a whole. So anyways, you're going to end up paying $8.49 for 2 jars. Plus you need that third jar. So really, the only math you have to do is $8.49 plus $8.49. And that ends up being $16.98, which is actually exactly $1 cheaper than Food Mart. So when it asks you which store is the better deal, you want to say Leona's is the better deal. And again, when it's asking you to explain, you need to say because $16.98 is less than $17.98. Okay, so all this financial literacy unit is going to make you a better, smarter shopper. If you have any questions, we'll see you tomorrow.